Welcome to LittleBikers TrackMaker. Today I'll show you how you can create a simple track all by yourself. First, let's select Make Track. Then we want to design, not publish, so we say Design Track. And then we get an example track, but we don't want that. We want to start with a clean sheet. So let's press the Clean Sheet button. Do we want to save the track first? No, we don't need that. And here we have the space to make our new track. At the borders, you can see the border of the space. We cannot build outside that. Every track needs a start and a finish. So at the right side, at the top, we see a start platform. Let's drag it in. And we also see a finish, and let's drag it in as well. Then we can test our track by pressing the flags button. Let's test and see what happens. Okay. All bikers are driving. You can drive to the finish, but well, we just bounce and we don't get in it. So we must make at least a means to get into the finish, to get up. Well, for now I'll just make a nice track toward the finish by dragging in these track elements. I can rotate them by using these buttons or by using K and L keys. Okay, and I could also, instead of dragging a new one from here, I could also copy an existing selection by dragging from the copy button, like this. Well, if I make the track like this, you can see everybody will still hit the finish bin. So this one should go up. So let's remove it by hitting the rubbish bin, and let's insert a slope. So turn the slope, I hit the L button, turn it right, and let's test again, hitting the flag button. While driving, we can operate the cursor keys and try to get past. Oh well, I got the 7th position, not bad. So, looks like it's been successfully tested now, and we've got a working track. And let's save it. So, for that end we press the upload to the cloud button over here. But to be able to save it I need to be logged in, so I just log in. Which takes some time. So let's pick a name for this track. Let's call it short track. And there we go. Suppose that we leave this designer. We don't want to save first because we just saved it. And later on we return to the designer and we want to go on with the track we already saved. Now we see the example track, the default example. To get our track back is by pushing the load from the cloud button. So let's push it and let's select our short track. Hit load. And here we have our track back and we can proceed working on it. Well, that concludes our first workshop. I hope you learned something from it. And see you next time. Bye bye.